Welcome to Traders Academy online courses. This is lesson 3 in the Trading Using R online course. In this video, we will explain the Interactive Brokers API architecture and show you how to configure the Trader Workstation. This is an important step before we start writing programs in RStudio using the iBrokers package. At the end of the video, you'll be asked to take a short quiz to test your understanding. Interactive Brokers offers API solutions to build automated rules-based trading applications in your favorite programming language. The API makes a connection to the Trader Workstation. The Trader Workstation, in turn, is connected to the Interactive Brokers data center. Thus, all the communication is routed via the Trader Workstation. Let us now take a look at how to configure the Trader Workstation. Click on the File tab in TWS. Go to Global Configuration under the Application Settings section. Click on API Settings shown on the left-hand side panel. Check the Enable ActiveX and Socket Clients box. Note the socket port number displayed in the settings. Check the Create API Message Log File box. When checked, this box will create TWS log files. So, what are TWS log files? API message log files contain the exchange message sequence between the R application and Trader Workstation. The API message log files will be created within the C drive JTS folder on a Windows system. The TWS logs will be log.day.txt, where day corresponds to the weekday when the log file was written. By default, the logging level is set to error, which records a minimum amount of diagnostic information. To capture the API messages, it's necessary to set the logging level to detail. We will see how the API log files are created in the later video when running an automated trading strategy. If you also check the Include Market Data in API log file box, it will cause real-time market data to be captured in the API when troubleshooting market data problems. Next is the Reset API Order ID Sequence button. A unique order ID is required every time an order is placed to an account. This unique order ID has to be greater than all the order IDs previously used. The Reset button allows resetting the order ID sequence. However, note that this can only be done if there are no active orders. Finally, click on the Apply button shown at the bottom of the page and click OK. This completes the configuration of Trader Workstation. This concludes the third lesson in Trading Using R online course. In this video, we covered the Interactive Brokers API architecture and showed you how to configure the Trader Workstation. In the next lesson, we will introduce the iBrokers package and explain the various API methods. When you continue, we will give you a short quiz to test your understanding of the topics we covered in this lesson.